Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of budget smartphones with a special focus on the Redmi 13C 5G, which many are calling the best budget phone of 2024. In this video, we're gonna unbox this little powerhouse and check out what it has to offer. Whether you're looking for a solid daily driver or just want to see if it lives up to the hype, you're in the right place. So let's get started. Alright, let's talk about the elephant in the room. Finding a good budget smartphone can be tough. With so many options out there, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. You've got brands throwing flashy specs at you, but how do you know which ones actually deliver? Battery life, camera quality, performance, these are all critical factors that can make or break your experience. And let's be real, no one wants to spend their hard-earned cash on a phone that's just going to disappoint. That's why it's so important to have quality options like the Redmi 13C 5G promises a competitive price-to-performance ratio. So, if you're in the market for a budget phone, stick around because we're about to unbox something that might just change the game. Now, let's get into the unboxing. Here's the Redmi 13C 5G in all its glory. Right off the bat, I can tell you that the packaging is sleek and compact. As we open it up, we've got the phone itself sitting right on top. First impressions, feels solid and well built, which is always a plus for a budget device. Now let's take a closer look at the design. The Redmi 13C 5G sports a modern aesthetic, with a nice finish that feels premium for its price range. You've got a vibrant display that's perfect for streaming your favorite shows or scrolling through social media. And speaking of specs, it's powered by a capable processor, should handle day-to-day tasks smoothly. Let's not forget about the camera setup. It boasts an impressive multi-lens system that's designed to capture your memories in stunning detail. We'll definitely put that to the test later on. And what about battery life? The Redmi 13C 5G packs a robust battery that promises all-day usage, perfect for those who are always on the go. Now, how does it stack up against other budget contenders? Well, in my opinion, it holds its own against the likes of Realme and Samsung, which have been dominating this space. The performance, camera capabilities, and overall user experience seem to be right up there with the best of them. Let's get into the standout features that make the Redmi 13C 5G a top contender for budget-conscious consumers. First up, the camera performance is impressive. From bright daylight shots to low-light conditions, it manages to capture clear and vibrant pictures. If you're someone who loves taking photos, you're going to appreciate this feature. Next, let's talk about battery life. With its large battery capacity and efficient processor, you can easily get through a day of heavy usage without reaching for a charger. That's a game changer if you're constantly on your phone. Also, the 5G capability is a huge plus, ensuring that you stay connected at lightning-fast speeds. In a world where connectivity is key, having a budget phone that supports 5G is no small feat. So, whether you're gaming, streaming, or just browsing, the Redmi 13C 5G has some serious potential to be the go-to budget phone of 2024. To wrap things up, we've taken a deep dive into the Redmi 13C 5G today. Honestly, I'm pretty impressed. From its sleek design and solid build quality to its standout camera and battery performance, it seems to check all the boxes for a budget-friendly smartphone. If you're looking for a reliable device that won't break the bank, this might just be it. So, what do you think? Is the Redmi 13C 5G living up to the hype? I'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop your comments below. And if you want more content like this, unboxings, reviews, and all things tech, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notification. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.